Navan, formerly known as TripActions, is a travel and expense management platform designed to streamline corporate travel and expense processes. Here's a guide to getting started with Navan. Sign up and access. Sign up. If your organization uses Navan, you'll receive an invitation email. Follow the instructions to create your account. Log in. Access Navan via the web app or download the mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Use your credentials to log in. Set up your profile. Profile information. Enter your personal details, including your contact information, passport details, and frequent flyer numbers. Payment methods. Add your corporate and personal credit cards to streamline bookings and expense reporting. Book travel. Flights. Use the search bar to find and book flights. Filter results by price, airline, duration, and other preferences. Hotels. Search for hotels based on location, price range, and amenities. Read reviews and compare options before booking. Car rentals. Reserve rental cars by entering your pickup and drop-off locations, dates, and times. Manage trips. Itinerary. Access and manage your travel itinerary in the trip section. View flight details, hotel reservations, and car rentals. Changes and cancellations. Make changes or cancel bookings directly within the app. Expense management. Capture receipts. Use the mobile app to take photos of receipts. Navan will automatically extract and categorize expense details. Create expense reports. Compile expenses into a report, categorize them, and add any required notes or details. Submit for approval. Submit your expense report for approval through the app. Track the status of your submission. Support and help. 24/7 support. Access customer support via chat or phone for any travel-related issues or questions. Resources. Utilize in-app guides and tutorials for additional help.